Falco Holsters, we are constantly researching and developing new handgun holsters to improve all aspects of firearm carry and better serve our customers. The 3D-printed OWB Holster CX02 Wing is the result of these efforts. But are there any major advantages in comparison with casual Kydex holsters? The simple answer, yes. 3D-printed holsters offer everything Kydex holster does, and even few extras on top of that. 3D printing enables constructional innovations that would otherwise be impossible with Kydex. This major advantage is beautifully showcased in the monoblock design of the CX02. From belt loops to the retention system, every element is crafted as one solid piece. This design enhances structural strength, reduces weight, simplifies maintenance, and ensures exceptional durability for daily use. Have you ever had a Kydex holster deform because of the heat? Here's a surprising fact. The single intemperament powder processed through selective laser sintering (SLS) technology actually withstands higher temperatures than a Kydex holster. This means you can safely leave your holster in a car during a scorching summer day without worrying about deformation. Last but not least is perfection of production. At Falco Holsters, we're known for our handcrafted, old-world craftsmanship techniques that deliver superb results. Although the 3D-printed holster CX02 is machine-made, based precisely on our 3D model, it proudly upholds this legacy. This process leaves no room for even the smallest imperfections. And the rest of the specs? It is compatible with 2-inch duty and competition belts. Sweat Guard shields your handgun from body moisture and ensures comfort during extended carry sessions. It has an open-top design and its basic retention is rated as level 1. Additionally, retention screw allows you to adjust the draw force to your specific preference. Available for Glock 19, 17, 26, 43, 43X, 6-hour P365X macro, and Smith & Wesson M&P Shield, it is optics ready out of the box. Additionally, it comes in a straight-on-the-hip configuration, ideal for fast and reliable draws, and lightweight design that barely adds any extra weight to your waist. Are you ready to experience the future of firearm carry? If so, try the 3D-printed CX02 Wing today.